guys, what's up? It's Maritza back with a new Halloween tutorial. Today's look is this missing eyes SFX look. It's really easy, so if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to be taking some spirit gum and scar wax, and I'm laying down the spirit gum where I'm going to be putting the scar wax, so I'm putting it around my eye socket. And spirit gum does wash out of your eyebrows, so you're good on the brows. So I'm just laying down the scar wax that I warmed up into a little worm shape, and I'm just laying that down in a circle on top of the spirit gum, and then I'm blending out the edges, like the outer edges, into my skin. The more you blend, the better. But we are going to go back and hide the edges a little bit better with some blood later. The scar wax that I'm using, I made at home. I just mixed Vaseline with cooking flour. You just mix them two together in a little bowl, and then it gets into a waxy consistency, and it's perfect and easy to use and very inexpensive. So once I'm done blending out the scar wax, I'm taking liquid latex and putting that on top of the scar wax. This is just to hold the scar wax in place better, since scar wax does not dry down. This liquid latex is gonna help it stick throughout the night, especially if you're wearing this out like as a costume or whatever. You're gonna wanna put some liquid latex on top to protect it from falling off. So I'm doing the same exact thing to the other eye, putting down some spirit gum and then laying down the scar wax and blending it out with my fingers and spatula. And then I'm going over the scar wax again with liquid latex. And then once the latex is dry, I go on top of the latex and set it with some translucent powder to take away the shine. Then I'm coloring the inside portion black, so when I close my eyes it just looks like it's blacked out in there. And then I'm taking black eyeshadow and I am setting on top of that black paint to take the shine away. And then I'm taking my foundation shade and going along the edges of this wound just to blend it in with my skin. And then I'm taking blood gel and I'm going around the eye where the cut will be open. And then I'm taking my stippling sponge and stippling on fake blood around the edges of the wounds. And then I'm taking more of a liquidy blood and draping it down the face coming out of the wound. And I do mess my chest up a little bit with some fake blood and black paint just to dirty it up. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials. And if you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I could see it and I can like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!